Well, welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section 3A3. This is called Ransom Note. Actually, I don't know what the ransom means. So given two string ransom notes and a magazine, return if true. Ransom notes can be constructed from magazine and false otherwise. So for example, this is A, this is B, right? So the answer is false because you cannot start from A to collect B. You cannot use B to get A, right? Because it can only be used once in a ransom note. So for example, AB is still false because if somebody see this A, then that means magazine already give one A, right? But there's still another A, and the magazine only left B. Okay, so yeah, so now everything looks very easy, right? So let me just write down the algorithm. I mean, I just want to open some small things to right now. Okay, so this is the ransom note. How to spell? Okay, so ransom note, and then your magazine. Okay, so it contains string, right? Some string. Okay, so the algorithm should be what? You go left, right? You iterate the ransom notes, and every time you see any string, then you go to check whether this string is in a magazine. If it's in a magazine, then you delete such a string. Yeah, you delete such character, right? So and check one by one. So if it passes all the check, that means everything in the ransom notes can come from this magazine. And if otherwise, then every time it fails, then you just return false. Okay. So it's very easy that, so for example, this is true, right? Because you check one A, then you delete one A, you check there's A, and you delete A. So ransom notes pass all the tests. Okay, so algorithm is easy. For I in ransom notes, I just go iterate ransom notes. And if I in a magazine, that means, oh, nice, it passed the test, right? But magazine need to update to delete that such I. So magazine replace original I to be empty. That means I is already used. And one means that I only replay once. Otherwise, that means that, oh, if you find some character in the ransom notes, but that character does not in the magazine, so you return false. If you pass all the tests, then you return true. That's it. Nice. Yeah, so I mean, still fast, right? I will see you guys in the next video.